As you know, we're looking at budget deficits all over. Recently, I think Councilperson Leitner was talking about the cell phone antenna towers, which seem to be prevailing and covering our community. Point Loma first, now they're attacking University City in La Jolla. If you look at the international papers, you'll find out that they're taking these things down in Israel on top of apartments and condos. They're causing headaches, nausea, cancers are increasing. Wi-Fi's in schools, I told the school district yesterday, are happening as a result of a few years of having Wi-Fi's there. In fact, one of our principals here at Dana and Peninsula is now taking over for a principal that has breast cancer at Jefferson. And this is one of the things that came from Lyon, France. After 10 years, it says the last 10 years we've noticed a marked increase in the number of cancers. New cancers are now showing up progressively in younger women. What's more, we're treating young children who have leukemia who used to go to school in Lyon where the antennas have now been taken away. Long-term exposure to microwaves can split up the DNA in cells and thus trigger the cancer. As for phone antennas, we know they pave the way for the accumulation of toxic molecules in the brain, which lead to premature onset of Alzheimer's and also to brain tumors. And she talks about the same headaches, sleeping problems, memory loss, but more serious pathologies is cancer. And this is the researcher in molecular biology in Lyon at the Lyon Bernard Center. In Israel is where they're taking down these cell phone antennas. All these problems started 3/4 of a year ago, a year and a half since the antennas were erected there. Children have had headaches and nausea, also the adults, but especially the children. You also talked yesterday about the planning boards and being insured, forget the word again, but you're talking about huge liabilities when you let planning board members that are in this industry promote them, whether they're through friends in another planning board area or they're on the planning board telling people and telling the public that you can't even speak about cell phone antennas because of the health issues. That is incorrect. It is totally incorrect, and it's a violation of our freedom of speech rights that are guaranteed by our Constitution. Then there is the budget issue that really, really matters to San Diego. We are huge, 3.125 million or something already. In 1990, Sandag said one runway will never suffice for the needs of a future San Diego population of 3 million people. Well, we're there, and we are really being stunted in our growth and our budget and our revenue. When I did a study in 2001 when the Port District owned it, which is when the Port Commissioner said the future is key to our region, this is what we have to look at, along with the transit systems that really bring in effective, paid-for infrastructure to our community. This is long-term planning. Thank you.